Aging, an intrinsic part of life, has perpetually captivated and perplexed humankind. From time immemorial, we have perceived aging as an inexorable force, gradually wearing down our bodies and culminating in our eventual demise. This traditional view casts aging as a relentless decline, an inevitable descent into frailty and disease. We have long accepted the limitations imposed by our biological clocks, resigning ourselves to the idea that our time is finite. Across cultures and civilizations, myths and legends have emerged, seeking to explain the mysteries of aging and the elusive quest for immortality. Ancient Greeks told tales of Tithonus, cursed with eternal life, but not eternal youth, while the fountain of youth tantalized explorers for centuries. These narratives, though fantastical, underscore our profound fascination with extending life and defying the constraints of time. The scientific community, for its part, has diligently unraveled the complexities of aging at a molecular and cellular level. We now understand that aging is a multifaceted process driven by a myriad of factors, including DNA damage, cellular senescence, and telomere shortening. These intricate mechanisms, once shrouded in mystery, are gradually being illuminated by scientific inquiry. However, despite our growing understanding of aging, the traditional view has remained largely unchallenged until now. Scientists and researchers are challenging the long-held dogma of aging's inevitability. These pioneers aspire to halt, or even reverse, the biological clock. This shift is fueled by cutting-edge tools and a burgeoning understanding of aging. Gene therapies, CRISPR, stem cell research, and cellular regeneration are at the forefront. These technologies are transitioning into tangible solutions, transforming human health and longevity. Unlike conventional approaches, these interventions aim to address the root causes of aging. These advancements represent a seismic shift in our approach to healthcare. We are moving towards a proactive paradigm, intervening early to prevent or delay aging. This shift could extend our health span, the period of life spent in good health. These breakthroughs promise to redefine our relationship with aging and reshape society. Living longer, healthier lives is now a tangible possibility. Gene therapies stand as a beacon of hope in the quest to combat aging. These revolutionary treatments work by modifying the expression of our genes, the very blueprint that dictates our biological processes. By targeting genes implicated in aging, scientists believe they can slow down or even reverse the cellular clock. Imagine a future where we could replace faulty genes associated with age-related diseases. This is the promise of gene therapy. CRISPR-Cas9, a revolutionary gene editing tool, has taken the scientific world by storm, offering unprecedented precision in manipulating the building blocks of life. Unlike traditional gene therapies, which often rely on adding new genes to cells, CRISPR allows scientists to make precise changes to existing DNA sequences, effectively editing out errors or inserting beneficial genetic material. For aging research, CRISPR holds immense promise. Scientists envision using this technology to target and repair age-related damage to our DNA. By correcting these accumulated errors, we could potentially restore cells to a more youthful state, effectively rewinding the clock on cellular aging. Furthermore, CRISPR could be deployed to eliminate senescent cells, often referred to as zombie cells, which accumulate with age and contribute to inflammation and tissue damage. By clearing out these dysfunctional cells, we could potentially create a more favorable environment for healthy cells to thrive, promoting tissue regeneration and delaying age-related decline. The precision and versatility of CRISPR have positioned it as a game changer in the fight against aging. While still in its early stages of development, CRISPR-based therapies hold the potential to revolutionize our approach to age-related diseases and pave the way for a future where aging is no longer an inevitable decline.